Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus. 8th chapter Statistics and Probability. Exercise 8.3. 8th sum. 3 fair coins are tossed together. Find the probability of getting all heads, at least one tail, at most one head and at most two tails. So these are all the 4 options given. We need to find the answer for all these 4 things or probability of all these 4 things. First one is, first we will write the sample space for the given information. 3 fair coins are tossed together. So the sample space for that will be 8 outcomes we will get. That is, first one is 3 head, then 2 head and tail. The tail will be in the first, in the middle. This is one. These are the 3 things. Then 2 tails will get. 2 tails and 1 head. So tail, head, tail, and then head, tail, tail, and then 3 tails together. So totally we'll get 8 sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our n of s will be 8. So this is the, these are the sample space we get when 3 coins are tossed together. Then find the probability of getting all heads. So first one is probability of getting head will be number of element with head n of h by n of s. So n of h will be, that is all heads. All the, when 3 coins are tossed, all 3 possibilities, if we are getting head means there is only one outcome like that. This is possible outcomes. The favorable outcome is these options. These 4 answers we need to find. That is the favorable outcome. So for the first one, the favorable outcome is only one. That is head, head, head. So n of h is 1 divided by n of s is 8. So for the first one, probability of getting all heads is 1 by 8. Second one is at least one tail. At least one tail means least is 1. There can be 2 tails or 3 tails. So all these 3 options has to be taken into account. It is given at least. Least should be 1 tail. Maximum it can be anything. So maximum tail can be only 3. So we have to take from these outcomes, we need to take 1 tail, 2 tails and 3 tails. All these things we have to take. So what are all the things we will get? 1 tail. 1 tail will be these 3 things will be 1 tail. So head, head, tail, then tail, head, head, and then head, tail, head. So this is 1 tail. 2 tails will be this one. These 3 will be 2 tails. So that is T, T, H, T, H, T, and then H, T, T. So this is 2 tails. And then 3 tails will be this one. Tail, tail, tail. So if we are taking this as T, if we are taking this as T, favorable outcomes, n of t will be, other than this first one, all other things we have taken. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n of t is 7. So probability of getting at least 1 tail, we have taken it as that. At least 1 tail is equal to n of t by n of s. So that is 7 by 8. That is the answer. Then third one is at most 1 head. At most 1 head. So at most 1 head is, maximum is 1 head. So we will take the outcomes that has 1 head or no head. So 1 head means we are having this one, 1 head, 1 head, 1 head. So H, T, T, then T, H, T, and then T, T, H. So these are the things we have only 1 head. And then other than this, no head. So this outcome has no head. Only tail is there. Okay, so at most one head. So this h will be at most one head. So we'll take this as h. So that is h is equal to 4 options we are getting. So n of h, number of elements that has only at most one head, that is 4. That is equal to 4. So probability of getting at most one head is equal to n of h by n of s, that is equal to 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. Okay, then fourth one is at most 2 tails. At most 2 tails. So maximum is at most is 2 tails. That is 2 tails has to be there. Then 1 tail option we will take, and then no tail. This option we will take. So all these things like that only. Here it is tail given. So 2 tails we have to take. So 2 tails is this one. 2, 3. 2 tails we will take, and then 1 tail we will take. This also we will take 1 tail. These 3 are 1 tail, and then no tail. So this one we will take. So totally n of t. Already we have taken t. So this one is number of outcomes for 2 tails. Number of outcomes for 2 tails is equal to 7. So probability of getting 2 tails is equal to 7 by 8. So this is how we have to do this sum. Okay, thank you.